piece we took out. Now you can't tell hardly. Hey guys, welcome back. This episode, we're gonna turn our attention to the dash again and get the other piece kind of cut out. If you can see or not. Get this piece cut out and replaced. Probably won't spend too much time out here because it's really cold outside and there's a storm coming in. I think it's gonna bring some ice, and that doesn't do well with electric lines and such. So we're gonna get that replaced right quick. Probably call it a night and see what tomorrow brings. But with that being said, we're gonna have ice storms a little bit tonight and tomorrow night, I believe, into Thursday. And depending on if we have power or not, there may not be a video Friday. But I'll try to get something shot and uploaded. But not making any promises. But anyways, that's what we're working on. Replacing that. Not gonna paint it tonight because it's too cold, obviously. And then hopefully by the end of the week we'll finish out with the other patch down there, and next week we can paint. Other news, same guy that bought the 50 Chevrolet purchased the 65 GMC, so we'll have additional funds and a free spot in that barn to maybe move the Camaro out of the back barn and into that one. We'll see how that goes. Moved it yesterday, the Camaro, and it smoked really bad. So it's gonna need some work soon, but like I said, I need to bring it in here and do a full restoration on it as well. But that being said, the money that we got, probably most of it's gonna go into the International. Like I said, I want to get it going and driving by June 11th. That's when they're gonna do it. Do that car show in my town where I went to high school at. So I hope to have that done by then, and hopefully have enough money to do it. But anyways, that being said, let's jump on this right quick because I don't want to be out here too long tonight. Get that piece replaced. Hopefully we'll have power and we can do the rest Friday and hopefully paint the back of the dash. Then start working on the inside here. Just kind of getting it knocked down where it's rusty and spraying that rust reformer down in here. Because I think it said you don't have to get it to bare metal, but just knock the scales off, or the rough scales, and I think we can get in there and do that. Also, we need to come over here and finish this out, grind it down, and I don't think there's any rust through, but put some rust preventative on it as well. I'm probably not gonna grind too much unless I see a spot like this or that, then I'll grind it. But I think this is all pretty well good through here, so may just clean it off and spray it. Also got my steering column in there. Had to use it to steer this back in here. Worked kinda. Anyways, let's get on this and get to working. Well, this is what we have. I think I did pretty good, I do say so myself, considering the piece we took out. Now you can't tell hardly. I am going to cut this up here, even with this line, or try to best I can. I mean, probably won't hurt anything it being long, but I just want to make it look right. But we didn't warp this down here like I was thinking I might. Need a couple more welds through here, but I think it's pretty okay. I'm pretty happy and proud of myself. Like I said, if we got power next couple days, we'll go and head and cut this out. So I'll probably do it in sections. Cut this out here, up, and then here, up, and then do this last. And hopefully by then it'll be warm enough. I can sand this back down a little bit here, all the way over, and we can paint through here. And if we get that, we may come in here if we have enough time and start knocking the rust out through here by hand and spraying some that rust reformer primer in there. Still don't know if I should mess with that at all. Just leave it like it is and spray it. Let me know what y'all would do. If y'all try to grind it back a little bit, make it smooth, and then paint it, or not even mess with it. But yeah, for the time out here and I spent on it, I'm pretty amazed by how well it came out. It's relatively flat. I don't think it'll pose any issue putting it back in the Bronco. I like it a lot better than that one. But yeah, I guess it's time for me to go in. It's getting late and cold. Well, that's all I got for you today. Didn't do much. Just finishing up fixing the dash. Hopefully this week we'll finish out that and paint it and put it back in the Bronco. But if you made it this far, thanks for sticking with me. Hopefully more exciting content will be coming with the International, since we do have an engine transmission now, and a little decent chunk of change to throw into it. So next few months or so, it's in June, so yeah, next 3 months or so, we'll probably be jumping International quite a bit, but we'll still be working on the Bronco. Be kind of mixing it up a little bit. But thanks again. I'm thinking about doing a challenge. If I get to 500 by, let's say, the end of March, I will do a live video of me eating the world's hottest chocolate. It's kind of gimmicky, but I said it, so if we get 500 by the end of March, I'll eat it live on cam. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.